Imagine a world where convenience and sustainability go hand in hand. Eco-friendly vending machines are turning this vision into reality. These cutting-edge machines deliver your favorite snacks while prioritizing environmental responsibility. Designed with energy-efficient features like LED lighting, they help slash electricity costs. By utilizing eco-friendly refrigerants, they reduce carbon footprints and adhere to strict environmental regulations. Constructed with recyclable materials and enhanced by sustainable packaging, they champion a greener lifestyle. Additionally, built-in recycling compartments simplify waste management, appealing to eco-conscious customers who value sustainability. While the upfront cost may be higher, the long-term savings on energy and maintenance make them a smart investment. Stay compliant with green regulations, avoid hefty fines, and play a part in building a sustainable future. Ready to make the switch? Contact us today to explore eco-friendly vending solutions tailored to your goals.